Make the call with the rear seat telephony included in the optional equipment Personal eSIM in your BMW 7 Series and BMW i7. It allows passengers to make and control phone calls from the rear seats. With a connected phone, check the box in the device list to be able to access the phone from the rear seats. You have all the options to manage calls, just like in the central information display, accessing your recent call list, your phone book, or using the keypad to dial a number. Incoming calls are displayed on the touch command display. Just tap to accept. During an active call, you can mute it, hold it, open the keypad, and even transfer the call to the phone. Select Audio Zone to choose in which area passengers can participate in the call. In the rear, the cockpit, or all over the car. Different speakers in the interior are activated respectively. So are the front or rear microphones, only picking up the voice of the person participating in the call, cancelling out background noises and voices of other passengers for an optimized audio quality. The Advanced Business Telephony feature of the optional Bowers & Wilkins Diamond Surround Sound System allows you to put the call on the headrest speakers. Just select Headrest. In this setting, calls are only audible through the headrest speakers for maximum privacy. This mode is available separately for the rear and front seat row, or for the driver only. Tap the speaker symbol to adjust the volume. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.